Alright, hello YouTube, this is here Karisma Tubagus, and I would like to show you the tutorial of the Java JDK. And before we get started, I would like to show how to install the software first. Let's go search in the google.com, and then type JDK 1.8 download. Okay, so here it is, the software for the installation, Java SDK 8, and go download it. Accept license agreement and select your operating system and the architect. I am using the Windows 64-bit, so I will select this, but I have already installed it, so I don't need it. And then the second software is the NetBeans IDE. NetBeans. Let's go to the NetBeans search and then go to there. Go to download here. And select here, download and install. I've already installed it as well, so I don't need to install it again. Okay, let's get started. And then I will move it here first. Here's the NetBeans IDE 8.2, and this is the latest version. I think I'm aware that there is already new version, but I think it's under Apache Foundation. Okay, let's create a new project, file new project, Java application. Uncheck the create main class and select the project name and type Java tutorial YouTube. And in this tutorial, I will show you how to do the console output using the system.out.println. Okay, I will create a new Java package, com.day01, and then create Java class hello Java and finish. I will keep the tutorial as short as possible because I don't think that you will need to see any lengthy videos. And then in this class I will type psvm and type public static void main string x arguments, and then as out type hello world Java, and right click and then select run file, and let's see. Okay, there is a text here, hello world Java, and congratulations, you have successfully run your first Java program. In the next video, I will show you how to create a variable and to do the console input. See you next time. Bye bye.